Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then scroll down and click on the Contact Us button. As you can see, you can give them a call, and if you click on that, there will be a number of contacts available for different topics like delayed or damaged baggage, cargo or flight information. And if you go back and if you click on the Email Us button, then you will be able to send them an email and ask a question or report a problem there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.